Some more examples on vector and three-dimensional geometry. Example number 1. This 3a bar cross 2b bar dot c bar plus 3b bar cross 2c bar dot a bar plus 4c bar cross 3b bar dot a bar is equal to dash dash. We know the representation for box product. Therefore, dot product is commutative. I write c bar first. 3 2s are 6. 6 common from this. I write 6 out. Now box product notation. Dot, that is c bar first. C bar. Then this a bar and b bar. A bar, b bar. Dot product is commutative. Therefore, I write the 3 2 out 6. C bar first. Then a bar and b bar. Box product. Again 3 2s are 6 plus 6. Then a bar, again I write a bar first, then b bar and c bar as it is. B bar, then next is c bar. 4 3 are 12 out, 12 out. A bar dot, therefore I write a bar first, a bar, and then c bar and b bar, c bar and b bar. This is just representation. Now I write in terms of a bar, b bar and c bar format. Middle is already a bar, b bar, c bar. Now I write a cyclic change. Therefore I write 6 times a bar, b bar and c bar. This is cyclic change. Value does not change. Cyclic change. A bar will first get b bar second and c bar last. That is cyclic change. Middle as it is. No change in middle. And last one, I check interchange. I just interchange these two. Interchange these two. That is, if interchange any two vectors in box product, then sign is alter. 12 is minus 12. Then a bar, b bar and c bar I just alter. Therefore, sign is minus. This 6, 12 and this minus 12. It is equal to just 0. Therefore, option is A option. Next example, if direction ratios of two lines are direction ratios, therefore vector associated with this and vector associated with this are A bar. Suppose this is A bar and this is B bar. These are the coefficients of no doubt I, J, K. Angle between them is, that is, we know that cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar upon modulus a bar modulus b bar. This is just angle between any two vectors a bar and b bar. Dot product means multiplication of coefficients 5 minus 13 minus 3 minus 15 minus 12 4 minus 48 13 5 65 upon modulus a bar, that is square root of this 5 square 25 12 square 144 13 square 169. Second is 3 square 9, 16 and 25. Minus 15 minus 48 minus 63 plus 65. It is just 2 just as denominator. Square root 144 25 169 plus 169 just 2 times 169, and here is 9 16 25 again just 2 times 25. That is 2 upon, this is just root 2, and 169 it is 13, just 13. Here again root 2 and 25 it is 5 again. Root 2 just 2, cancel with this 2. 13 5, that is 165. 1 by 65 cos transfer, cos inverse 1 by 65. A option. Next, example number 3. The direction ratios of a line which is perpendicular to the two lines whose direction ratios are. आपल्याला अशा लाईनचे डायरेक्शन रेशोज काढायचे की या दोघांना ती परपेंडिक्युलर. टू लाईन्स आर परपेंडिक्युलर, दॅट डॉट प्रोडक्ट इज 0. म्हणजे याला परपेंडिक्युलर आहे म्हणजे याच्याबरोबर डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 पाहिजे, याच्याबरोबर डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 ला पाहिजे. याच्यामध्ये चेक करून बघूया. ज्यांना याच्याबरोबर मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट 0, दॅट इज डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0. चेक 0 3 0 2 minus 2 minus 4 1 into 1 minus 4 plus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore, first option neglected. Second, 0 3 0 minus 1 minus 2, it is 2 and equal 2 1 2 again 2 2 to 4 not 0. Third, 0 3 0 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 2 plus 2 0 येतं. Last 0 0 neglect minus 2 and minus 2, it is minus 4, this is not there. Therefore, option is C. These are the just direction ratios of a required line. ही लाईन या लाईनला परपेंडिक्युलर आहे म्हणजे या दोघांचं डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 असलं पाहिजे. रिव्हर्स टेस्टिंग करायचं. याचा कोएफिशिएंट इथला कोएफिशिएंट मल्टिप्लिकेशन करत जायचं. डॉट प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट्स. त्यांचा डॉट प्रोडक्ट 0 आला की आपल्याला ती लाईन परपेंडिक्युलर. 0 3 0 1 minus 2 येतं आणि 2 into 1 plus 2, it is 0 just. फक्त हे सी ला पॉसिबल आहे, देअरफॉर ऑप्शन इज सी ओनली. Next example, the points 0, 7, 10, -1, 6, 6, -4, 9, 6 form dash dash. These are the 3 points. Suppose this has a, then this is B, and this is C. Then we can find just AB bar, AB bar, AB bar. That is B bar minus A bar, AB bar, BC bar, and AC bar. Just I write the only coefficients AB bar, B bar minus A bar. -1, 0, it is -1. Then 6 -7, -1 again. And 6 -10, it is -4. -4. BC bar, that is -4, -1, -3. 9 -6, it is 3. 6 -6, 0. AC bar, AC bar, -4, 0, -4. 9 -7, it is 2, and last one 6 -10, -4. Now AB bar, BC bar, AC bar. I have written just only coefficients. Then modulus AB bar, that is square root 1 square 1 plus 1 plus 16, that is root 18. Root 18. Modulus BC bar is equal to again 3 square 9 plus 9, it is again root 18. And last one AC bar is equal to 4 square 16 plus 4 plus 16, that is 32. 32 plus 4, 36. That is, now just these two are same, root 18. Modulus means just length is same, therefore length of two sides are same, therefore isosceles, and it's squaring and adding, that is squaring 18 plus 18, square of this, that is by Pythagoras it is right angle, two sides are same, it is isosceles, therefore a right angle isosceles triangle. D option. Next, if a line passing through these 2 points is perpendicular to the line passing through these 2 points, therefore line passing through these 2 points, therefore I write a equation of line just by using just 2 points, just 5 minus 4. I write just coefficient or direction ratios. 5 minus 4, it is 1, then second k minus 1, and last 0 minus 2. This is DRS of first line. Second DRS of second line, 3 minus 2, it is 1 just, 3 minus 1, it is 2 just, and last -1 minus 2. These are the DRS. It is perpendicular, therefore dot product 0. Dot product 1 into 1, 2 into k minus 1, and -2 into -2 plus 4 is equal to 0. 1 plus 2k minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. That is 2k, 4 plus 1, 3 minus 5 minus 2, it is 3 just, plus 3 is equal to 0. K is equal to -3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. D option. Next, if a line drawn from point 1 to 1 is perpendicular to the line joining points 1, 4, 6 and 5, 4, 4, then the foot of perpendicular is. What is the question? Check the question first. This is the question. If line drawn from this point 1 to 1 is perpendicular to line joining this point, and this is no need of this triangle, just this is point and it is perpendicular just. First point is 1, 4, 6, and second point is 5, 4, 4. And here as a foot of perpendicular, I suppose this point as a ABC. Now by observation, points on this line, y coordinate is 4, here y coordinate as a 4, here y coordinate as a 4, therefore b is equal to 4, therefore D is not option there, here 0. Just observation, here y coordinate as a 4, here y coordinate as a 4, therefore b is also 4. On this line any point having y coordinate as a 4, therefore D is not option there. Now check. Now I take DRS of this line, and this is perpendicular to this, therefore DRS of this a minus 1, b minus 2, and c minus 1. 3 minus 1. DRS of this 5 minus 1 4, 4, 4 minus 4 0, and last 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus 2. Perpendicular, therefore dot product 0 again, therefore 4 into a minus 1, 0 into this neglected, and last minus 2 into c minus 1 is equal to 0. Now check which one is the satisfy this. Now here, if first a is equal to 2, this is a and c, just we want a and c, a and c. 2 and 5, a is equal to 2, 2 minus 1, it is 1, 4, c is equal to 5, 5 minus 1, 4 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4 not equal to 0, therefore neglected this. Now second 3, 4, 1, a is equal to 3, 3 minus 1, it is 8, 8, c is equal to 1, 0, 8, 8 is equal to 0, not possible, second is not there, and d is already cut, therefore only option is C option, only option is C option. Next example, if XOZ plane, that is XZ plane, divides the join of 1, minus 1, 5 and 2, 3, 4 in the ratio lambda as 1, then lambda is equal to XZ plane, XZ plane, in XZ plane, in XZ plane, in XZ plane, always y is equal to 0, y coordinate is always 0 in XZ plane. Therefore, we compare y coordinate of these 2 points. Suppose this is first point and this is second point. Now this is lambda as 1, lambda is 1. That is ratio as lambda is 1. Therefore, we compare y is equal to 0. Y coordinate that is lambda into this 3 lambda 1 into minus 1 upon lambda plus 1 is equal to 0 just. Denominator transfer just 3 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to just 1 by 3. Minus 1 transfer, 3 divide. Lambda is equal to 1 by 3. It is C option just. C option. Next, the point of intersection of the line joining the points 3, 4, 1, 5 and 6 and the XY plane is XY plane. Now again 2 points. This is first point. This is second point. Suppose and XY plane. In XY plane, always Z coordinate is 0. Always Z coordinate. In XY plane, I write this XY plane, always Z coordinate as a 0. Suppose this is lambda is 1 again, lambda as 1. Suppose the ratio as a lambda as 1 by this XY plane. Z is equal to 0. Therefore, first we find, compare the Z coordinate, lambda into 6. 6 lambda plus 1 into 1. 1 upon lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Z coordinate we compare. Now lambda plus 1 transfer, then 6 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0, lambda is equal to minus 1 by 6. This is lambda value, lambda is equal to minus 1 by 6. Now I compare x coordinate, that is lambda into this, lambda into 5. 5 lambda, that is x coordinate. 5 lambda, lambda into 5 plus 1 into 3 upon lambda plus 1. Here lambda is equal to minus 1 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 plus 3 upon minus 1 by 6 plus 1. This is cross multiply. 6 3s are 18. 18 minus 5. 18 minus 5 it is 13 by 6. Then cross 6 minus 1 it is 5 by 6. 6 cancel, it is 13 by 5. 13 by 5. That is x coordinate, 13 by 5. This cancel, C or D. C or D. Now we want y coordinate. Y coordinate, that is again lambda into 1, lambda plus 1 into 4, 4 lambda plus 1 again. Lambda is equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 4 upon minus 1 by 6 plus 1. Denominator is 5 by 6, already we have calculated up here. This is cross, 6 4s are 24 minus 1, 23 by 6. 6 cancel, 23 by 5. Y coordinate as a 23 by 5 here, D option. Next, example number 9. If a line makes angle alpha, beta, gamma with coordinate axis, then this value of cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma is equal to dash dash. These are the direction angles. Therefore, cos 2 alpha I write 2 cos square alpha minus 1 plus 2 cos square beta minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1. That is this 3, 2 common, cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, and minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, it is minus 3. This value, we know the standard identity relation between direction cosines, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, it is 1 always. Therefore 2 into 1, it is 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. Option is B. Next example, let quadrilateral PQRS be a quadrilateral if M and N are the midpoints of side PQ and RS respectively. Then PS bar plus QR bar is equal to dash dash. MST CET 2017 la विचारलेला question. Now this is the quadrilateral. Suppose PQRS, then M and N are midpoints of PQ. M is a midpoint of this, and N is midpoint of RS. And this is N. These are the midpoints MN. Then PS bar plus M is the midpoint, therefore M bar is equal to P bar plus Q bar upon 2. N is the midpoint, therefore N bar is equal to R bar plus S bar upon 2. This is just by midpoint formula. Now PS bar plus QR bar is equal to, I write in terms of position vectors, there S bar minus P bar plus R bar minus Q bar. Then it is equal to, I write this to S bar plus R bar minus common P bar plus Q bar. That is equal to, I adjust just 1 by 2 times, I write 2 times inside the bracket 1 by 2 times S bar plus R bar minus 1 by 2 times P bar plus Q bar. Just 2 adjustment, 2 common and these 2 cancel, just 1 by 2 adjustment. And then S bar plus R bar, it is N bar, 2 times N bar minus 1 by 2 times P bar plus Q bar, it is M bar. Now again reverse N bar minus M bar, that is Mn bar. 2 times Mn bar, that is C option. Check. Next example, again Z1 and Z2 are Z coordinates of the points of trisection of the segment joining the these 2 points. Therefore A is equal to this point A, and this is the B point. Trisection of this point, that is 1 and 2 equal, that is here as a 1, here as a 1, here as a 1. This is Z1, Z2 are the Z coordinates of the trisections. Suppose here as a first point P, here as a Q point. Then its Z coordinates are, suppose Z1 and Z2 are the Z coordinates. Then we want Z1 plus Z2. Now check the Z coordinates. Therefore, for P, it is 1 as 2. Here as a 1, here as a 2 distance, 1 as 2. Therefore, for P, it is 1 as 2. Therefore, Z coordinate 1 into, for this 1 into 6, 1 into 6, that is 6, 1 into 6, 2 into 4, 8 upon 1 plus 2. This is Z coordinate. Now for Z2, it is 2 as 1. For Z2, it is 2 as 1. This is just Z1. Now Z2, 2 as 1, 2 into B bar, 2 into 6, 12, plus 1 into 4 upon, again same, it is 2 as 1, 2 plus 1. This is Z2. Now Z1 plus Z2 we want, plus of this is equal to 8, 6, 14 by 3, 12, 4, 16 by 3 again. That is 30 by 3, it is 10 just. It is just 10, D option. Next example, if the vectors A bar, I cap plus J cap plus K cap, B bar, 4 I cap plus 3 J cap plus 4 K cap, and C bar is equal to I cap plus alpha J cap plus beta K cap are linearly dependent, and modulus C bar is equal to root 3, then vectors are linearly dependent, 3 vectors are linearly dependent, their scalar triple is 0, therefore I take directly determinant is equal to 0. First 1 1, second 4 3 4, and last one is 1 alpha beta, 1 alpha and beta is equal to 0. Scalar triple 0 because vectors are linearly dependent. Now cross 1 inside, this is 3 beta minus 4 alpha minus 1 inside. For middle one it is 4 beta minus 4, and last one 1 inside, 4 alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. Now simplification, 3 beta minus 4 alpha minus 4 beta plus 4 alpha minus 3 is equal to 0. Now check the simplification. So here as a 4 alpha 1 into 3 beta minus 4 alpha minus 4 alpha plus 4 alpha cancel, minus 4 beta 3 beta, it is minus beta these two, and 4 minus 3 it is plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore beta is equal to 1. Just check the option beta is equal to 1. Only one option having value beta is equal to 1, D option. Example number 13. If the points A, B, C, D are coplanar, then lambda is equal to dash dash. Since points are coplanar, therefore scalar triple 0. That is AB bar, AC bar and AD bar is equal to 0. That is, I take determinant directly. AB bar, B bar minus A bar, 5 minus 4, it is 1. 3 minus 5, minus 2. 4 minus 1, 3. Second, AC bar, 4 minus 4, 0. Then 1 minus 5, minus 4. And 6 minus 1, 5. AD bar, 3 minus 4, minus 1. Lambda minus 5, and last one 3 minus 1, it is 2 just, is equal to 0. This is AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. Now I take a simplification of this, 1 into this 4, outside one neglected, minus 8, then cross minus 5 lambda, minus plus 25. Second minus, already minus sign is there, therefore plus 2 inside, this is 0, minus 5 plus 5, and last one plus 3 inside. That is, this 0 neglected, it is minus 4, and 0 minus 4 is equal to 0. Simplify, minus 8, 25, it is 17, minus 5 lambda plus 10 minus 12 is equal to 0. That is 10 minus 12 minus 2 and 17, it is 15, minus 5 lambda is equal to 0. Therefore 5 lambda is equal to 15, lambda is equal to 3 just, lambda is equal to 3. That is the option. Next, C bar is equal to 2A bar plus 5B bar, modulus A bar is equal to A, modulus B bar is equal to B, and the angle between A bar and B bar is pi by 3. Then C square is equal to, now C square is nothing but we know that C square means C bar, just modulus C bar square, or it is C bar dot C bar, that is 2A bar plus 5B bar, again its dot product with 2A bar plus 5B bar, that is dot product, multiplication of again just dot product, 4 modulus A bar square plus double, 2 5s are 10 and 20 A bar dot B bar plus 25 modulus B bar square, that is modulus A bar means A, that is 4A square plus 20 A bar dot B bar, modulus A bar modulus B bar into cos theta, where theta is given pi by 3, cos pi by 3 and plus 25 B square, 4A square plus 20. This is modulus A bar modulus B bar AB, and cos pi by 3 it is 1 by 2 plus 25 B square. Just to cancel, it is 10 just, 4A square, 10AB plus 25B square. C option.